very much, Peter, and Gergely, for the kind invitation. It's my true pleasure to welcome you all here in this new building. And Peter, a special thanks to you showing the beauties of this building, as well as the person who designed this really spectacular building. And if you have time, please go around and look around and discover and explore this building. It just got inaugurated a few weeks ago by the Hungarian president, Tamás Súlyog, and we just moved in. I'm in the headquarters of Hungarian Research Network, and we have high hopes that this building will host many scientific events, workshops, and many discussions that will somehow taking forward the scientific activities in Hungary, as well as the activities that we have been carrying at Hungarian Research Network. So special welcome. And it's my second time to attend on this event, and I'm always glad to stand here and talk a bit about the importance of AI and the priority that we are giving to this important subject. As last year I mentioned that we will start an AI ambassador program within HUN-REN. So we try to outline the real capabilities of HUN-REN, provide best practices, how in the different scientific areas AI is being used, and what is really needed to adopt this on as large scale as just possible. So we had high hopes that AI will be used everywhere in our research institutes, and made many actions on this. And we just realized that it's not enough to stay on the AI for science level, but it's we need to put much more emphasis and try to use AI everywhere in our operations, everywhere in our activities. So that's why we said that AI for science as a program defined at the first stage is not enough, and we have to step further. And with this, we said that let's establish this HUN-REN AI for Impact program. And as you see, it has 4 major elements: AI for science, supporting scientists in research process. We have the AI for efficiency program, meaning that in all support functions, what we have in the headquarters and within HUN-REN, like the HR activities, the governing activities, the finance and accounting activities, and in communication, so all functions that are supporting our operations, we will also use the latest AI models and applications for our purposes and try to build into our daily operation. And the next one is the AI for innovation program, supporting the innovation value chain with AI. I'm going to show you some examples for that. And we also said that we have to redesign how we do science, rethink a bit the scientific process and flow, and try to come up with new ideas how to do science in the different scientific activities. So disrupting science with AI. And for this purpose, we organized a really good event. I can tell you, really good event, a hackathon. We invited many youngsters, many colleagues, even from the universities, and they came to some ideas that I'm sure that will be used in the upcoming scientific efforts in the different scientific areas. So with that, let me just show you what are we doing under the umbrella theme AI for Science program. So the goal is to use AI tools in our research activities and unlocking new research opportunities through AI, and also enhance the AI skills of HUN-REN researchers. That are the key program goals. And what are we doing in order to make these goals happen? We are providing AI support for our researchers, providing inspirational workshops, exploring the possibilities of the new AI applications, providing training, also providing consulting services to foster collaboration and innovative thinking. And we have an AI service hub in this building on the 6th floor, where we have AI experts, and they can provide support for our researchers on a project basis. So we can also provide, in this center, the experts provide direct support to make the research plans build on using new AI tools and capabilities. And we established also the AI Ambassador Network, and providing regular training for our ambassadors, who are also engaging the researchers on the different science and research institutes. So this is about the ambassador network and the program pillars, the education pillar, and the personal AI support and the available technology stack behind, that is provided by HUN-REN Cloud, provided by HUN-REN Stucky for our purposes. And with this program, our clear aim is to provide continuous updates on the latest AI tools available for scientific activities as well, provide trainings and engagements, and try to be the motivator of this cultural change. And in the first months, we have many great results provided by this program, and as you can see, many projects delivered, many direct engagements were provided. More than 20% of our researchers participated in local educations organized by the AI ambassadors. And these are the results only for the last 3 months that started last September. And what are we doing under AI for Innovation? We are creating virtual ideation team from innovation to value proposition and potential personas. Here you can see an example. For example, we are using agentic or agent frameworks for creating a platform that is somehow discovering the essence of a patent or a research idea. An agent is examining that, then creating a complete technology research around that idea, try to map potential partners who could be potential entities to use that idea or patent. Based on the result of this research activity, the next agent could explore who are really engaging with that topic in a certain company. And then the next agent is help to try out and help to understand the profiles and the persons who are dealing with such topics within an organization, and try to formulate a letter which will then target that person with my idea, my scientific idea. So this whole agentic framework is really creating value to our researchers to make and to really try to realize possible partnerships for their scientific ideas. And of course, this is used in patent research activities, ideas for productification, science communications, product refinement in the frame of incubation or in the go-to-market activities. So now we are really identifying those tools and creating such agentic frameworks which are supporting all of these activities from ideation through incubation and the go-to-market activities. So this is what our AI experts in the support hub are doing. And last but not least, I mentioned this AI First Science program. So we have the, and probably you have also noticed or used the AI scientist from Google. And this is really providing an excellent support for your scientific efforts towards a fully automated open-ended scientific discovery, from idea generation to experimental interactions, writing papers. There are some models that are available. I know this is really in the somehow in the embryonic phase, but still we have to understand what are the key benefits of such models, and we have to understand and learn how can we and where can we adopt these models in our scientific efforts. So the future of science is AI first. As I mentioned, we aim to reimagine how science can be done with AI, pioneering new methodologies that redefine research itself. For this reason, we established AI Squads and the AI Explorers program. We are communicating about these possibilities, especially on the AI Explorers community. So stay tuned and try to take part in all these initiatives that we just launched 2 weeks ago. And my last slide is really about our efforts. How are we really planning to be the key engine of the AI ecosystem in Hungary? How are we really driving the adoption of AI in all fields of science and in the economy and in the society? So in the upcoming few weeks, we are heavily working on to establish our Alice unit, so the Hungarian node. We are also one of the key drivers of the new AI Factory antenna program that is planned to be established for Hungary in partnership with the Jülich HPC. And we have also the Artificial Intelligence National Laboratory led by Stucky, one of our research institutes. And in HUN-REN, as I mentioned, in the headquarters, we are really driving this AI initiatives in one umbrella program called AI for Impact. So with all of these initiatives, I'm sure that HUN-REN is well positioned in the Hungarian ecosystem, and we really would like to be the driving force of AI in science, AI for science, AI adoption in Hungary, in the economy, in the society, using the scientific results of HUN-REN. So with this, I'd like to wish you good discussions, great presentations, and I'm sure that some of your discoveries and some of your achievements will be well communicated in the upcoming period of time. We have, I think, all ingredients here in this building, as well as within HUN-REN, to make your ideas really happen, make your ideas adopted in the research and value chain going forward. We are building an ecosystem that is helping your ideas and your activities to push through the value chain. And as I mentioned, AI will be one of our flagship initiative, and wishing you again great program, fruitful discussions, and see you next time. Thank you.